In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add wishlist functionality to your WooCommerce store for free and very easily. I'm Andrew and let's get started. So here I have a basic WooCommerce store built with the Storefront theme with a bunch of products. These are actually default products that are available in the WooCommerce plugin, and we are going to see how we can add the wishlist functionality. Now we just have to install a free plugin. So we just have to bring the admin panel and then plugins and add new. And we just have to search for MC Wishlist. And here we have the MC Wishlist plugin. As you can see, it's a very well-rated plugin. Now, the active installations are very low still because this is a very recent plugin. This is a very new plugin to the WordPress repository. So let's just click on install now and activate it. Now, the first time that you activate this plugin, you get this wizard, but you can just bring it anytime you want. And also all of these options are available from the settings. So you can just safely click on not ready now so that we can just start from the setting now. Out of the box and without any configuration, we have the wishlist functionality available to us. So here, if I just bring my shop page, you can see that we have this add to wishlist functionality here, this little heart icon. Now, if I just click on it, it's just going to add this product to my wishlist. We get this little alert here. And now if I just click again, we can see our My Wishlist section. This is a new section added to your WooCommerce My Account page. So it's working greatly with WooCommerce. We have this dedicated tab in WooCommerce that we can just manage our products. We can just see them. We can remove them one by one or just select a bunch of products and remove all of them or add to cart. So this is great. Now, this is the default working of this plugin that you get out of the box with zero configuration. But the good news is that you can change pretty much every important aspect of this plugin. So if I just bring MC Wishlist, of course, we do have this fast setup. We just bring the wizard. But here, if I just click on global, we have global setting for this plugin. Of course, some of them are only available in the premium version, which we will talk about. But if I just start here, you can see that first of all, we have this remove condition, which means that products are not automatically removed from any list, even if the user adds them to the cart or purchases them. And then we have some advanced features that you don't need to really take a look at because the default workings are just fine. So I'm just going to skip these options. And of course, you can export and import settings into this plugin. So these are your general options, and I can just save changes. And then we have appearance, so you can change the style of your plugin. We have social share, so you can just customize it. And also we have marketing. Now, I'm not going to cover marketing, but just know that this plugin allows you to send marketing emails to your users based on the wish list. You can customize it, and that's great. Now, what we are interested here is this wish list section, which allows us to customize the wish list. So here, of course, we have the wish list display by default. It's just being displayed to all your users, but you can just set it to users who are registered, so not anonymous users. And you can even require the login to get better statistics and only about users who are logged in. So you have these options available. Also, you can change the behavior of this add to wishlist button here, but then in the wishlist button itself, you can customize the button. So we have two identical sections here, one for single product pages and one for archive pages. They are very similar, so you can change the style of your button both in archive pages and single product pages. So for example, if I just set it into icon and text, and it's just going to have an icon and have a text, You can then change the color. So let's just select red, and I also can change the button icon. So I can just change it from this heart to anything. Even custom SVG icons are supported. That's really great. I really love this feature. So let's just choose another icon here, like this pin icon. And we also have margin and colors. Great. And now if I just refresh, you can see that my archive pages are the same. They haven't changed because I have only changed the setting for single product pages. But in single product pages, we have this add to wishlist button and this pin icon. So it's just being changed. Also, we can change the position. By default, it's on top left, but you can set it into top right or add to cart. So for example, if in your theme you have something on the left of your images, then you can just change the position so that it does not overlap. And let's just save that. So then we have our wishlist page. So you can customize the wishlist page, its URL, and also the text that is being shown when you do not have anything in your wish list. We have text customization, so you can change every text that is used within this plugin. For example, when a product is added or removed, you can change all of these options. Also, one other option that you have is to just bring your wishlist button and set it to shortcode. So this is when you want to use page builders and put the shortcode where you want. So it's not going to add the button itself. So if I just select shortcode and save changes and refresh, we do not get button anywhere because we are just basically telling the plugin that we want to use shortcode and we are going to be responsible for using this shortcode. So this is a more advanced feature that allows you to use custom page builders like the theme builder from Elementor and also other page builders to create your WooCommerce store pages. And that's it. That's the free version of it. Now I'm just going to activate the pro version in the next section. So now I have activated the pro version. So if I just bring the admin panel and more converts, you can see that we have more sections available to us as well as the premium features being unlocked. Now what I want to talk about is this multi-list functionality here. So if I just click on it, this is a feature that you get in the pro version as well as many other features, but I'm just going to talk about this one because it allows your users to create different lists, have a name for each one of them, have a description, and even share their list. So if I just turn this on, now by default it's just set to merge the wish list. I'm just going to turn this off because this is a newer feature. I really love it, but I'm just going to first turn it off to show you the old way of doing it. So if I just turn this off and save changes and bring my products, you can see that I have a new button here as well as my heart button. And what it allows me to do is to just create a wish list, have a name for it, and even have a description, and even make it public or private and add products to it. So this is very suitable for large e-commerce websites. So let's just add a Fab1 wish list, make it public and save. Now this product is being saved in the Fab1 wish list. So it's available here. And if I just click on this little icon, you can see that I can see all of my different wish lists in my account. Here in Fab1, we have this product. I can edit the list. I can change the view. So I can basically toggle the view from list into grid. So all of my lists are available here. And also I have my wish list, but it's just treating them separately. And basically you have all the features that you had for your wish list here as well. So you can change the icon, change the text, change the positioning. All these features are available to you. Now this is the old way of doing it, but a new feature is that you can turn this merge to wish list feature. And now if I click on my wish list, you can see that all this functionality is merged. So I have a single tab, and my default wish list is my wish list, but you can create other ones as well. So when you click on product, you can see your different wish lists. You can create them, manage them, and all of them are. So you have a default my wish list, but you can add more wish lists if you wish. And of course, there is no section for customizing the button because the style is the same as your wish list button. And this is the way this works. And finally, you can have a counter both for your wish list and multi list if they are separated, or just simply if they are the same for your wish list. You can just do it, and it will also hold your multi list. And if I just, for example, add it to menu, you can see that here on my menu, I have a 2 indicator here, indicating that I have 2 items in my wish list, and it's also displaying the name of the wish list that I have my items in. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. And like always, you can reach our team from the link in the description.